Hi, we are Razgar. We are from Bulgaria. We design and produce here. The name Razgar comes from the Bulgarian word and it means the moment when fire ignites. And I'm gonna show you some of our main products. For example, first one, we have the aluminum crate, which is very lightweight. You can use it for bottles. It has separators on the inside or for wood, and it has foldable handle, which makes it very easy to stack on top of another. And then you unfold it, slide it up, and you can use it. This is our lightest product. Once you have beers or whatever inside, you can put it straight away into the river, so you can cool them down. You can take things around. And here is the first and most important product for our company. This is actually the second version, made of stainless steel. It is a grill that you can take around. You can use it as a fire pit or as a grill. It has insulation on the inside from a vermiculite board, which makes it very nice to use because with a little bit of material you get loads of heat. Fully made from stainless steel with stainless steel fasteners, all handles. You have a drawer underneath where you can clean it or you can give more or less air. It weighs 16 kilos, which is great for something more stable. To put it once, you use it. Once it heats up, it acts like an active radiator, so you can use it for cooking and for heating. And this is the smaller version. You can see it has an add-on of a plate for cooking. This is much lighter, 6 kilos, much smaller. Again, with the insulation on the inside, fully stainless steel with stainless steel grill. And the interesting part is that you can actually take off the handles, all of the handles, and the legs fall off. You can put them inside of the burning chamber and then you take them out and slide them back in position. This is much more for taking around, again with drawer for cleaning and for giving more air. Now here we have our smallest version, which is made for bioethanol. You can put a little bit of bioethanol inside, light it up, and it acts like a small fireplace that you can have on your table, at home, or in front of the grill. It also comes with cork lids, so you can turn it off, and an underlay of cork as well. Now here we have something very interesting. There are 5 small parts that come into this cotton pocket, and actually when you assemble them, you get this, which is a coffee dripper or a V60. You put coffee filter inside, coffee and hot water, and then you get the coffee on the other side. It has a second function as well. You can actually turn it around, put it away straight into the fire and use it like a small stove to heat up water. Very compact, and remember, everything is designed and produced in Bulgaria. It was a pleasure to present you our products. Please follow us and visit our website.